Look, Joe, I don't want to waste money on something I'm not going to use, alright? The signal man at lag at Huddersfield is about to assign a new platform. Climb aboard and get moving. Alright, boss man. High speed one, my beloved. Hi, Marku. It's a bit dark in here, mate. Oh, very nice. Actually, before I do that, I want to turn on the stuff. If I can find said stuff. Where is the stuff? Or does this not have DSD and AWS? I knocked the mic by accident, my mistake. Forward. Release. Drive this train on the channel, yeah. Why would that have a train of DSD? Look, alright. Because I'm stinky. General fault. That's a good sign. Why? This train's broken and I haven't even started moving yet. What is the problem? Why am I... Turning it on and off again. That sounds like a good... Oh. Figured it out. No, I haven't. Fudge. Why? Can we move yet? Now we can. Veg. Also, what's this about? We're gonna see Felix at Huddersfield. Let's go, boys. That's a nice sound. Train's broke, presses horn. Why did it work? Literally me. Let's go. There we go. Put my wipers back to thingy. What is this? Is this like move camera around? What is this arrow thing? I'm very confused, pardon me. There we go. We have a bit more. Wevy Wev. If you click it, it awakens Kaiten, who comes with a bow and arrow to shoot you. I won't click it then. Oh, it goes down to 15. Hold on a minute, we're breaking. The dark void. Here, let me turn the lights on. Train, can we brake, please? Train, can we brake, please? Train, can we brake? Train? Train? Train, can we brake, please? Okay, train, can we release the brakes, please? Train? Train, good boy. Oh, we're here. Hello, people, passengers. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought we were going to hit those coaches because I didn't see the extra track. Why did you drive old trains when you think they have DSD and wonder why it takes ages to brake? Oh, right. Smart man. Braking too early. Just going to keep the wipers on. Turn that off now. It's one of them. There go the amps. Chunk. you go. I'm being very focused right now. So if I'm being quiet, it's because of that. Nailed it! Look at that, mate. Screenshot would be nice. Even though it's rainy. That'll do. Don't really like this route that much, so I'm not fussed. YouTube comments be like... Anyway. Oh, there's a funny train. First Great Western. So funny you forgot to laugh. Ah. Wait. Why are they modern signals? Or are they meant to be modern signals? Surely they would have still used a semaphore, right? Back to the Future, looks like it. Can we go now? Thank you. Oh, we've got a Mark 1 at the back. We are going to Matty Studios, guys. We're going to Mayton. Turn around. Turn this train around. I don't want to go there. Not again. I'm never going back. Turn it around. Oh, Joy, I'm seeing as you're here. What does this arrow thing do? I feel like it moves your head around the cab, because I think I saw a preview of it some time ago. Hello, lady. Never saw it. Yeah, I didn't see it on the last train we drove. It decapitates your head. Good to know. I'm not sure. Is it like a seat position? Oh! I didn't know that was a thing. Anyway. I didn't know this was a thing. So you've got that view. Or like a back, a more back view. Oh, that's interesting. I'm going to stick with this more back view. So I can actually see the dials and stuff. They are going ham, aren't they? Do I have the brake still on or something? I don't know. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of quality. Yeah, they have. It's really good to see. Ravensthorpe is next. Or something. Egghead driver with SCR, shush. Yeah, I like the new UI. That's pretty cool. Especially like the route selection. That's really cool. It's a bit noisy on my end. I'm going to turn it a bit down. Wow, okay. Your persuasion will not tempt me. It's a Duff. The Mason Express. Nice one. I do not know though, because he thinks it's a waste. Shush. Keep that on. Justice for TGB. Alright, see you later, Gary. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Slow down. Oh, we just passed the station. Hopefully I wasn't stopping there, because I've missed you now. I was going to use the title. Oh yeah, I like the title. I was quite proud of that. Humble brag. Snip notices your title. You do be a little bit of noticing though. Do you hear that little squeaking? This is fine. Have fun with that. I've heard that it's pretty good. I'm not going to watch it though because I'll never get it. Anyway, I'll enjoy my stream. Thank you. Yes, I am a streamer, man. Put a little bit of gas on, you know. White female. Nah, it's a bit wet in it. Why are the tracks spaced so far apart? Oh, because of the tunnel, that's why. Never mind, I answered my own question. Wipers. Wait, when I go outside, what it does the... Oh, it does do the actual sounds. Like, because it never used to. Like, if you go to the outside camera, it wouldn't make the sound so you felt like you're outside. You know what I mean. That's a weird looking gantry. Bit low as well. EA Sports to the game, it is. Two miles to go until Ravensthorpe. Maximum Wolves. Move my mouse a bit. There we go. Matty sees a female. Oh no. Fudge. Gonna have to look back through all these, aren't I? I'm starting to realise why I don't drive old routes. Oh well. That brake sound is pretty nice. Also, there is no way I'm sticking to time. Just saying. Spoiler alert. That guy on that track has to slow down. It's like to be him. Also, water. Water? No more. It's British Railways, mate. British. We are now approaching Ravensthorpe. I mean, it wouldn't be like that because, you know, whatever year this is set in. What year is this set in? Oh, 28. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. Well, Tor. But I literally, there were 101s earlier. What, is this a day when, like, Network Wealth decided, you know what? Let's just make everything old-fashioned for the day. Because why not? Because YOLO. It's National Back in Time Day, so let's bring back the terrible services. And the slow trains. Return to class 101. I think this train's a bit too long for this station. Just a hunch. There's only 42 left. That's still quite a lot. Come on, inching closer, inching closer. That'll do. Off your pot, people. If people are wanting to, you know... Oh, actually, I saw a thing. We are. Here. Oh, we're going to Leeds. Ugh. 42. Wow. You're so funny. I'm laughing. Oh, that's a weird bug. There you go. Lads, hello. I am a lad. What is your thing? What is your wisdom? Let's thrash. Hello, fellow. I am the lad. Do this for the veggies. Maybe not, because my amps. Oh, there's another train there! The whir. As long as there's no Bradford, nice. Here's a little thing about me. I don't actually like English. I don't actually like Mark II carriages. I find them ugly. I couldn't tell you why. I think I don't know, they're probably just too smooth or something, I don't know. Too smooth, yeah, good excuse. Mark II carriages don't like you either. Oh, how dare you? Oh, I guess that's fair. Not a lot of people like me. Ha! Got him. Yep. When you get roasted, so you roast yourself first. Exactly! Just like being back at school. Oh. Anyway. Awkwardly laughs. Floosh. Can we thrash some more? Let's thrash some more. One of the things I like to do in this game, actually, is just... I just love watching, like, the wheels bounce and stuff. I just find it really satisfying. So good. Does that mean warning? Next signal might be red. Well, sucks to be them. If it's red. Now it's green. Oh! Why is that 50? Hold on to your seats. Give me speed up, next signal is green. I'm not sure if I trust you. I mean, that signal is green and it's next to us, so... Budget Chelmsford. Am I right, gamers? Anyway... It's a bit mucky. I think I'm gonna do a bit of high speed 1 after this. Get a bit of speed going, you know. I know, don't tell Will. He'll veg. 4K points? What do you mean 4K points? Oh, channel points. Yep. That useless thing. Heard what? Wait, what do you hear? I'm very confused. Did I say something? What? Wait, what did I say? Did I say something out of context? I'm very confused. Oh! High speed 1. I get it now. Yeah, I'm very good at listening to myself. Double 101, because one 101 isn't enough 101, so 2 101s is better than 1 101, you know? 101. Haha. Do you think they named the manuals Class 101 101? Because, you know, when people like normally teach about stuff, they're like, how to drive a train 101. I don't know, just a weird thought. It's the 101, 101, 101. Yeah. Siggy box. Very loud, mate. The game looks like it's a bit loud. Do you want me to turn it down, or is my voice overpowering it? Okay. I wouldn't go... Okay, good. I thought you meant that as a sarcastic way. As in, oh, it's beautiful when it's quiet. Sort of thing, you know? It's very mean. Boo, I'm not mean, how dare you. Most of the time, SMH, I'm insulted. What happens to salt when you roast them? They get insulted. Insulted. Yeah. So no, don't leave. I'll be good. Stay here. I'll gift sub. I won't do that. Oh, I might do. I won't. Maybe. If I'm feeling nice. Gift sub. This is... Welcome to Tunnel Simulator, guys. I love this game. Tunnel Simulator. So fun. You just stare at darkness. I should probably, there you go. Going into Calais. Oh, look at that score! Boy. Did the engine just move down? I don't know. It's the female. Anyway. Ooh. I don't know if you know that meme. That's a good meme. Wait for the waves and pop. Slow down a little bit. I need to move my bike so I can actually see the keyboard. What have you linked? Should I be concerned? Significantly over the speed limit. What did you post in the? I'm not gonna click that. Wait, what did you do? I don't know if that's what you're referring to in the group chat, but whatever. Whatevs. I don't. Going back to me not liking the Mark IIs, I don't really like 45s either. I said it. Cancel me on Twitter or something, I don't know. Don't cancel me on Twitter. Wipers. Right, almost at Leeds. Not that I want to be at Leeds, but you know, what can I do? I'll just keep the wipers on. Ooh, thank you. Are we in Scotland? I was going to say, well, are we in Scotland? No, we're in Leeds, for goodness sake, because it's raining. Yes, because rain equals Scotland. Yeah. Southern detected. How did you know? What? Check Twitter. I'll check in a bit. I'm driving a train right now. No texting and driving, guys. Under a bridge. Now this is a go via. So don't stop here. Signal, thank you very much. The wipers are sort of getting on my nerves. Wait, they're not even the wipers, it's the airbags that are making that sound, I think. The pillows, the train pillows. There's no point speeding up because we've got a 25 limit coming up. So I'll just coast a little bit. Chunk. Hello, that's me. 25 limit, mate. Got ages away. Why should I need to slow down? Relax. Yeah, 25 limit. It's 8.8 miles away. Got ages. Stop panicking. They've even got double yellow as well, see? Relax. Still shouldn't think that they should be like proper signal, they should be like semaphores or something. See, I slowed down way too early. Just because you were worrying about me. and speed up. Oh, but what's the point of speeding up when I've got to slow back down again? Sam H, you're a bad driver, don't blame me. Wow, okay. Rude. What's the point of speeding up when you just have to slow back down? Okay, okay, every train just... My logic is big brain. Come on, there we go. My genius, it is almost frightening. Well, that's a red signal, isn't it? Put on the anchors, boys! Anchors! Anchors! Now we're fine. No, don't worry, see, we're fine. See, it just... Fudge, look what you made me do. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. This is fine. Sorry guys, it was a red signal, alright? It was a red signal, guys. Don't worry about it. It was a red signal. Red signal. Red signal. It was a red signal. Red signal, red signal. It was a red signal, alright? I was just telling all the passengers it was a red signal, which is why I put on the anchors quickly. It just changed to red suddenly. It was beyond my control. So it wasn't my fault, it was the signaller. Demote the signaller for changing the signal to red instantly. It's not that it's foggy or anything and I didn't see the signal coming up ahead. No, no, no. 101? I swear, if you glitch out and go onto that track. Oh, that always scares me. I used to be afraid of this as a child. Seeing a train go like that on a junction and be like, oh, well, this is where I die. Oh, we have a 10 limit coming up. Should probably slow down. Matty was scared of trains as a child. Time machine. Look, as in like on that curve with the points, because you'd think, oh, it's gonna boot me. Wait, which one's mine? Probably that one. That says the 2 on it. Let's speed up again, please. You can actually see the incline there. Pretty cool. Matty gets spooked by train. Gone wrong. It did go quite wrong. I swear if you stop again I will be absolutely livid. Don't. 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 Good train. Good train. Oh. Maybe, okay, I was wondering why it's 10, but then I realised you've got slip points. Or double slip. Ew, it's stinky Leeds. Turn away. I'm joking. If you're Leedian, don't bully me. Leedian. Yeah, that's the word I've made up now. Stop stopping, train. All right. There must be a what? A what? Is that what you call Leeds people? Nice train, mate. Are we going into the terminating platform? Oh, that train's moving. Bong bong. Platform 2 for this service to the buffers. Yeah, the buffers. Oh, the buffers. This is going to be fun. Seatbelts on, even though seatbelts don't exist on trains. Ooh. Is there like a boost mode? Nah. Seatbelts, so we can be safe. Yep. Alright, here we are. Yeah, just hit on the Nitro Game Pass kicks in. Nice. How much is the Game Pass? Another 20 quid. 50 Robux, mate. On Train Sim World. I'm very scared to brake. Because as soon as I put in a little bit of brake, it'll stop. That'll do. Come on! Oh, well, I felt that. Oh, the lighting in here is a bit... Uh oh, I hear shunting noises. Sorry, mate, we had a little bit of a little bump. We booped the buffer. Yeah, I can hear you freaking out, alright? I think that's a bug. We've discovered a bug. Good. We can report that to DTG. Oh, the lighting. Yeah. No, not bad, but like... Look at that luminosity. It's like... reflections have been turned up by 100. I have discovered buffers. Oh, I've still got stuff to do. Oh wait, I get it. The buffers are freaking out. Handbrake. Oh, look at that spin. Well, have fun with your clingy clangingness. Are they tasty? The female mate. She's fine. Oh, hello, person. Never happened, alright. The next morning, he was sacked. No, I will. Silver? Stupid Silver. I know why. I've been robbed. Your train had a 3-course meal. Okay. Okay, Zuma.